Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Good evening. So he was asking, give your introduction. I came in this knowledge when I was studying in college, in university, 1972. And afterwards, I was taking care of some industry in Bombay, that is refinery, oil refinery. For 2 years, in 1978, I came here. And 78 onwards. So here there are many in Pandav Bhavan, Om Shanti Bhavan is there. Many Baba's children are coming, giving them classes. And along with that, Delhi Toli department. So I was looking since many years. Then afterwards, slowly, many wings started, wing service. So among them, one that is called religious service, religious leaders service. So that one wing I was taking care, conducting many conferences here, interfaith conference, as well as outside also. In whole India, many centers, they are also arranging conferences, we go there. Many religious leaders, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, they all are coming, they get together. The only one, this spiritual university, the Brahma Kumaris, they can bring all the religious head in one stage. Otherwise, they never meet together, they never come together. All are having independent authority.
Very nice, very nice. So, Ramnath Bhai, once I want to ask also that in your own experience, what is power of silence?
Yes.
Power of silence.
Now, I will explain you what is silence. The definition of silence is influence-proof stage is called silence. What is silence? There is no influence on my mind. Internal influence and external influence. When I see you, about you, the thought will come. I will get influence from outside. One more thing, nobody is in front of me. I am alone. Till internal influence is there. So it will disturb me. I cannot be nil. So what is silence? Influence proof. There should not be outside influence. There should not be inside influence. It is possible. And that is meditation in this spiritual university. You may ask, what is Raj Yoga in this spiritual university? What is silence? What is that power? So that is, there is no outside influence on me. Even though I look you, I see you all, there is no influence. It is possible? Now you ask. There is no internal influence on me. How it is possible? And that is taught in this university. That is Raj Yoga actually. Always, whenever you see any soul, any human being, known, unknown, constantly, my mind is creating positive thoughts about others. If I am not creating, I will get outside influence. I have to receive something. If I am not getting anything from outside, internally there is something is there, past sanskars. They will activate, they will disturb me. So here what to be done? And that is meditation here. Think positive about others. How to think positive? Even though somebody, when you see somebody, oh, this brother, He has disturbed me 10 years before. When you see, suddenly his thought will come. What to be done? You may say sometimes, I do not want to give anything, I do not want to take anything. I want to become neutral. Not possible. Either you give or you take. So what you will give? What we are having to give? If you are not giving anything, then you have to take from outside. I will get influence. So in this university, the meditation or think positive is what? How to think. So with that, I can keep my mind positive. I never get influence from outside. Even my own past habits, sanskars are there. They also never emerge. So very simple. That's why always in this university, think positive. How? Whenever you see any human being, known, unknown, your friend, somebody disturbed you, even though when you see, we know he is a soul. He is Son of Almighty. That knowledge we have already. So when you see him, create a thought, Shubh Baba, he is your child. Give him power of peace. I do not have anything to give. I can request my father. Shubh Baba, he is your child. Give him power of peace, power of love. He said, I came to help the children. Take my use in each step, in each thought. So you will protect yourself and you will help others also.
So this is silence.
Yes.
Silence power. Acha. Power kya hai? What is silence power? What is power?
Now, when first it is silence, I am not influenced. So my thought is creating positive about others. If I am not doing this, I will get your influence on me. My mind will get disturbed. Negative thoughts will come, sometimes positive, sometimes negative. Unwanted thoughts will come. Because it is outside. So here I am not taking my own past habit also. I am taking help of Baba. Baba, he is your child. Give him power of peace. He said, use me in each step, in each thought. Okay? So, my mind is giving means I am creating, but I am not giving from my pocket. I am taking from him. He is a source. I do not have that peace. I cannot give anything. I am requesting him. So I connect with the powerhouse. I request him for his power I am giving. Because I am his child. I am not asking give me. Serve to humanity is serve to God. Serve his creation. So while going, he said, I cannot do directly. So you take and you serve your brothers, those you are coming in contact, those whose souls you see, to protect yourself. I am doing why it is to protect myself. I should not get influence. My mind must be clean, pure. If my mind is clean, I can take sound sleep. And mind is root cause for all the diseases, for all the sorrows. To first win your own mind. How to win? Try to create any soul positive thought. How? This is that way. I cannot. I do not have positive thought. But Baba said, in this university, he said, I came with powers. Take from me and give others. This is service to humanity.
So this now we have, Baba has told us, but practice is very difficult. No?
Practice makes man perfect.
So what tips you have, what practice you have done that you have become so
now
powerful?
if you ask, initially I was thinking, always Baba is telling in the Murli, that think positive. I said, I was talking to Baba, Baba, it is not possible. Whenever I see him, oh yes, he is a brother, not sister. Which brother? Oh, 10 years before, he disturbed me. Suddenly thought will come. I cannot. So Baba said, you do not give anything. You do not have anything. He has disturbed you, me. So I cannot give him positive thoughts. But you take from me. I came. You take from me and you give. So your account will be settled. If you are not doing this, so he has done something wrong. What you are doing? Once again, I am creating negative. I create a new account. If I do not want to create a new account, if I want to settle, clean, take my help. I am the media. Without him, we cannot settle our account. Without his help, I cannot keep my mind clean. When I see you, I cannot think positive. The whole world is telling, think positive, but not possible. When I see you, I cannot say, hello brother. I know, I can see you. Sister is here, brother is here. I cannot deceive myself. I can deceive others. I know who are you. You are so and so. Thought will come. So Baba has given in this university, it is taught, you do not have anything. Your both hands are empty. Pocket is also empty. Do not worry. I came to guide you, to help you. I am your father. Put your hand in my pocket. So initially, I have seen while walking, I was writing chart. Each hour, there are 60 minutes. How many brothers, sisters are coming in contact? Each hour I used to write how many minutes, how many soul. When I see what I have done. When I see you, your thought came in my mind, or I have given you. Initially it was 5 minutes, slowly 10 minutes, slowly 15 minutes, because habit is necessary. Now also, whenever I go, whenever I see, I will smile, but I never think about you. You feel that I have seen you, but I do not know. I only keep, yes, Baba's children. Even today also, while going, coming, think positive. What is that? Baba, they are all your children. Give them peace. If I am doing this, when I am sitting,
Ramnath Bhai,
slow.
Too fast, speaking too fast.
So translation is necessary. So when I am sitting in meditation, I can see clean mind, no influence. Straightway I can connect with powerhouse. If it is not there, if I am not doing this, when I see you, oh, why he is sitting like this way? From where he came? Why he is this? So some influence will be there. So when I sit in meditation, your picture, your thought will come before me. Because whole day, while doing work, there is an influence on me. This camera is open. That influence never allow me to sit in meditation and connect with the powerhouse. Because mind is not clean. Influence mind. The first effort is necessary here. I have to keep my own mind clean. How? This is the practice I used to do. Initially, even today also. Otherwise, we are having one habit. What is that habit? Whenever you see from what she is doing, why she is this, natural, there is a habit. We think about others. It is not my duty. There is no need. But what to be done? So I take your thoughts. If I am not giving, you are thinking something. Your vibrations will influence on me. To protect that, your vibration, I have to create.
So you are here in the ashram. So many of us, we live in the home. We have to go to the job. We also have the family. So we have to think about other people.
Yes, now we are also doing. No, you are not alone. Here also there are thousands of people are coming and going. Thousands of problems they are coming with problems. They are asking many things. Till here also, that's why I said, you in your family, your children, many people are there. Okay, you see them. Do not ignore. If you want to do something, you do for them. Yes, I have to prepare food. Think. I have to take care of child. Think for that. Otherwise, whenever you see, Baba, they are your child. I am preparing food for your child, not my child. They are your family. I am doing everything for your family. They are all your child, not mine. When you come out of your home, be in your job, do it with full concentration. If somebody came in front of you, suddenly, yes, he is Baba's child. Then talk with him. Hours together. Starting, create positive. Yes, if I want to talk to her, yes, I have to talk. Do not ignore. Yes, when I see first, I create, yes, she is Baba's child. Now I will deal with her 1 hour, I will do business, I will talk to her. In positive attitude. If I am not doing this, yes, she is that sister. She has disturbed me. First negative thought came. I have to talk with her 1 hour with negative awareness. She never feel comfortable. I also never feel. Anger, many things will come. Because I have started with negative awareness. Do work. In your family, your husband, your children, you have to take care of them. You have to work for them. But keep in your consciousness that they are all not my children. Possible?
See, now there are two things. Huh? One is sometimes if we are looking that this is not my child, this is Baba's child, this is not my husband, it is Baba's husband, then that person say, you don't care for me, Now you have left me.
No.
You have
That initially I said, they are your children, your husband, your family is there. Your home, your cloth, your body, everything is there. But awareness, one consciousness. This my husband, my children, no, they are all Baba's children. I have to take care of them. They are not ordinary children. They are children of my Father. They are children of Almighty Father. With love and respect, how much we have love and respect for Baba, same love and respect with his children. Possible now? Or difficult? Reply. It is possible.
So, who says possible?
Possible.
Who says difficult?
Little difficult. Those who feel a little difficult, raise your hand. means the result is still we have not convinced that who is I am and what relation I am having with them. Till I am not convinced. Spiritual knowledge we listen. Listening is not everything. Reading is not everything. We read, we listen many murlis, many lectures, not what I have understood. After listening, I am convinced, means still we are not convinced, yes, I am a soul. If I am fully accept, I am not this bundle of bones and flesh. I, the soul, in this body. But I is son of that Almighty. When I see her, yes, she is also there. Who is she? Yes, she is also Baba's child. This awareness is there. With this awareness, if I am coming in contact with outsiders or insiders, Baba's children, your family children, anybody, always there will be a positive relation, good feeling. This is whole world requires spiritual love. What is spiritual love? What is that? I love you. What is love? I respect you. I see you equal to my Father. Okay, yesterday you disturbed me. You get angry on me. Till, okay, it is your role. You have played. What is my role? What I have understood. Okay, my brothers, my children. No, Baba's children. Baba's child has done something wrong. He will take care. He is responsible. I request him, Baba, your child. He is doing something wrong. You must take care of them. You are responsible, not they are responsible.
Haji. Now, so if we are doing our job or we are in the home and I am only thinking of Baba, I am only talking to myself, those people will think I am crazy because I am only talking to myself.
Never
I am not paying the attention to that person.
It is not said. While working, I said, when you meet her, 1 hour you have to talk. But before starting, if you are doing job, if you are cooking in your home, before starting, yes, I am preparing this food to offer Baba, to feed Baba's children. That's all. Then you concentrate on your action. Hours together. When you enter in positive attitude, you enter even in your action. While doing, constantly you must remember, no. Before entering, before cooking, what you are doing? Yes, I am cooking for whom? Not for my children. Not for my husband. Baba, I am preparing for you. I am preparing food for your children. Then you think about the food. What I have to do, what I should not do, this I have to do. Think. Freedom is there. But you are on positive track. Similarly, outside in business, in job, you talk with others, you deal hours together. Initially, when you meet him, yes, he is this awareness. He is Baba's child. Then you talk hours together. You are in positive attitude.
Very good. So you are saying that before starting the job, we have to set the stage,
Yes.
positive attitude. Okay, one more thing. Sometimes we get angry, upset. But we don't know that we are getting upset. Only after get upset, then we realize, okay, now I have become upset. But I have seen you don't even become upset. So how we can reach this stage that it doesn't even come?
What he is telling, it is not right. Because soul is always positive. Soul and body, there are two things. In this whole universe, there are two energies. One is physical energy and one is metaphysical energy. One is physical energy, atom. Contains electron, proton, neutron. It is physical. This body is made of physical energy. And this physical energy is having 5 qualities. Lust, anger, greed, these are the power. This fire is there. Fire is fire, always hot. Water is always cool. The original nature of So this body is made of 5 elements. But who is using this body? I, the soul, is different. My original nature is peaceful. When I use the quality of the body, I realize, I feel, yes, I should not use this. No, I have to use him. I have to scold him. I have to get angry. With awareness we are using. Each soul, before doing any negative thing, before using body's qualities, first awareness will be there. It is, I should not do this. But we over-attack. We suppress the inner feeling. Because the spiritual power is weak. Mind power is powerful. Otherwise, inner conscious is always reminding, no, you should not do this. No, he is doing, all are doing. Without this, it is not possible. I have to do this. Before doing anger, before creating negative thoughts, first we feel it is wrong. We should not. But we never listen. Inner voice. Right? All are having this. Now, it becomes a habit. We never care about inner voice. And that inner conscious is very weak. That is called willpower. Is weak. And mind power is more powerful. So we came in this spiritual university. What is meditation here? Charge your willpower. Activate your willpower. That is meditation here. So sometimes mind is naughty. Mind may go here and there, may get influence, may get attracted somewhere else. But intellect is the heart of the soul. Intellect is the heart of the soul, is knowledgeful and powerful. That knowledgeful, powerful intellect, that heart, will control, convince the mind, no, you should not do this. It is against of your will and wish. It is against of will and wish of my father. If you are doing anything wrong, you will be punished. This knowledge, if I understood properly, then I can convince myself, not others. First, I have to convince myself. That's why it is said, it is very easy to teach others, but it is very difficult to teach yourself. So in this university, what is taught here? Do not go and teach others first. Teach yourself. Talk to you. What is meditation? Just to sit, talk to you. No, I should not think like this way. I have done morning this mistake. I should not do this. Against of my will and wish, against of my father's Srimat, I should not. We correct, we convince, we change, we apply knowledge, we convince ourselves. Some mistakes are going on. So, regularly those who are studying Murli, they will work, apply this knowledge on self. Then only peace of mind. Otherwise, mind cannot be peaceful.
Ramnath Bhai, now we are listening to Murli every day and we make the mistake. Then when we make the mistake, we don't want to come in front of Baba. You know, then we feel we should not even think of Baba, we stop going to the class. So how you are making the mistake and still you can have the relationship with Baba?
Yes, Baba is merciful. Baba knows my children are very small, very naughty. He knows it. Many mistakes are they are doing. He never disturbs. He is knowledgeful. He is loveful. He is merciful. Child, do not worry. Open your heart. Come before me. That's why we go to Baba's room. And if you are telling Baba, against of your and against of my, I have done today something wrong. I should not think like this way. But I have done it. But I have realized it is wrong. Please excuse me. I never repeat it once again. Then Baba will give you power also. Child, okay. But do not repeat it. Here I realized, yes, I had done mistake. 99% nowadays, we do mistake, but we never realize. I have not done this. He has done something wrong. That's why I have done this. I am not responsible. He is responsible. If he is not doing like this way, I never do. I never behave like this way. Who is responsible for my anger? He is responsible. He has done some mistake. He has done something wrong. This is wrong. Okay, he has done wrong. What I have done? What I have to do? If my Baba's child, if I am knowledgeful, if I want to become a perfect spiritual person, then okay, do not do this mistake once again. With love, respect, convince him. Okay, let go. Do not do this. See, this is a mistake you have done. With love. Love is what? Once again? What is love? We use this word without understanding. With love, convince him. What is love? Love, he is Baba's child. Then there is a love. Love is nothing. Love is respect, understanding about the person. Who is he? He is not an ordinary person. He is not a child of Ravan. He is Baba's child. This is love. Otherwise, always we use this word, I love you. What is the meaning of love? I love you, why? Because you are Baba's child, son of Almighty. With this respect you are loving, it is knowledgeful love. Just we use sometimes, I love you, it is dangerous. This love is dangerous. Without knowledge, why you love me? You attract physically, you attract something, it is wrong. Knowledgeful love. What is that love? Always you ask, when you use this love, I love you from a true heart. This heart is not loving. It is just pumping the blood. It is physical. Worldly knowledge. The spiritual knowledge. I love you, why? Ask when you use this word, why I love him? Because he is Baba's child, son of Almighty. With this respect, if you are using love, it is 100% accurate.
100%.
Accurate? That means?
I am confused. But one thing more, sometimes we make the mistake, we go in front of Baba, Baba gives, okay child, do not do again. So I make the plan, I will never do this, never, I will never repeat. After 1 week, again it happens. Then?
Okay, till Baba said, Baba is not always lawful. He is lawful also. Once, twice, okay. Even thrice, okay. Fourth time, 100% punishment will be there. Once, okay, totally free. Second time, little bit. Third time, 50% punishment will be there. And fourth time, till you are doing it, 100%. There is no excuse of ignorance of law of action. It's a law of action. For each action there is a reaction. But after fourth, because he is lawful, he is merciful, for everything there is a limit. Sugar is not bad, it is good. But after a limit, it becomes a poison. For everything has a limit. After crossing that limit, extreme, then you have to come down. You will climb. There is an end. After straightway you will come down. So after extreme, it is dangerous. So Baba is giving merciful, how long? Once, twice, even sometimes last child, 50% will be there. Baba, once again I won't do it. Okay, till he will keep. Till fourth time he is doing. Then he is telling, he is not giving any punishment. I am not responsible. It is out of my control. Then law will work. What is that law? For each action, there is a reaction. You may say, I do not know. There is no excuse. Ignorance of law. I do not know law of action. For everything, there is a law. Systematic effort is there. System is there. As a child, he will love. He will forgive. Okay, my child, they are innocent. But once, after some times, when you grow up, matured, you know, then excusing, okay, leave it, it is not possible. The law will work. That's why Baba is telling, Dharmaraj, he will come in front of you, not I am. Law will apply it. Right?
Acha, now I want to ask one more question. I can ask?
Yes. On behalf of you all.
So we have just arrived.
Mm.
We have just started our journey. We are in second group. Many of us will be here for maybe 2 weeks till after Baba comes. Is it possible in 2 weeks, what effort we can make that we can become like you?
No, not as me, as Baba. Baba said today also in the Murli, if you have given attention, yes, what Baba said, who will say, for this, connect all with one. Yes, with one. He is knowledgeful. Do not connect with anybody else. Only one Father, one God, one family. Connect with one. So, if you want to become perfect within 1 week, possible. You can come number 1, and out of 8 jewels, first number you can come. Very simple effort. Nothing you have to do. Do all the activities, very free. Not 2 hours, 4 hours, I have to do meditation, nothing. Just give attention on 3 things. Simple, natural. You see, within 2-3 days, even 1 day also, tomorrow only when you go for bed, you will have a sound sleep. 1 day do it. Very simple it is. 3 things we have to do. What are those things? 1. Keep attention whenever you see any human being. All, even there are laborers are working here. Till they are all Baba's children. Nobody is here Ravan's child. 1 attention. Whenever you see Baba, Shubh Baba, he is your child. Give him power of peace. Give him power of love. You create positive thought. Minimum 1 hour, 60 minutes are there. You can serve maximum 60 people. It is a maximum. Not possible. Minimum 1 drop of positive thought. 1 hour, 1 person. Minimum and maximum. 1 hour, 1 soul I have to serve with positive thoughts. Possible? Each hour, 1 drop if you collect, in the night, the glass will be full of positive thoughts. Minimum it is. This we have to do first. This is the first lesson from this university. What is this university? Godly university is teaching. Think positive. Win your mind. Because thought is root cause for every sorrow, every disease. The first is this. Any problem for this? Any problem? Possible to do? See only 1 day. The result you will see. Because experience is authority. Listening is not authority. If you have headache, keep medicine in your pocket, you will get cure? No. As per the doctor's prescription, you have to take these tablets morning, this tablet after breakfast, this tablet before going bed. There is a system. So it will give you result. Here also, if you want to keep your mind peaceful, clean, think positive. How? So Baba has given system, morning to evening. You see very clearly, do not hesitate, do not ignore. Very clearly, with love, respectfully. Respect is there, love is there. Baba's child. See, Baba sees your child. Give her. I do not have. Do not ask, give me. Give her. This you are doing each hour. One drop, one soul, sufficient. See, one day only. The result is what? Second, we listen Murli, knowledge. Many points Baba is giving. As per your choice, select one point as you like. Not only blessings or this and that. Any point from the Murli, one point you select. Write it. Brothers, you keep in your pocket. Sisters, you must keep along with you. And 3 times in a day, we take care of this body. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Is it? Minimum. Healthy mind in healthy body, it is said. We take care of this body 3 times in a day. Equally, 3 times in a day, take care of self, feed yourself. When you go from here, breakfast is ready. There are 2 hands all are having. This hand is going here. What this hand is doing? Brothers, put your hand in your pocket. What Baba said? Child, you should not get angry. Okay. Keep in your pocket. It's a thought, food for the mind. Sufficient. Okay, afterwards do anything, whatever you want. Evening, afternoon, when you go for lunch, this hand is not going. This hand is going. To feed your body. This hand, put in your pocket. Do not search here and there what Baba said. It is available. Just you read. Yes, I should not get angry. It is a food for the mind. Once again in the evening, when you go for dinner, minimum 3 times. Whatever you are listening early in the morning, feed yourself 3 times in a day. Not once. So you will be knowledgeful. Knowledge is active. 4th, along with that, one more thing you have to do. What is that? Do not keep yourself. If you see any brother or sister, talk to them. Hello sister, remove your pocket. That point, Sister Baba said today, very good point. Share with others. 1, 2, 3, as much as possible. Do not keep within you. Share with others. Then you will be called a knowledgeful. Then you never do any mistake. Because knowledgeful, knowledge is active. Otherwise we listen. And whole day we forget. We never use it. It is not the system of listening Murli. Take only 1 drop, sufficient. Each day, 1 drop from the Murli. 30 days, you are having 30 Murli points are in your life. So it is said, eat less, digest more. Listen few things, but use it in your life. We listen many things, but never use. 2 things. It is okay? Clear? How to achieve perfect stage in your life. 3rd, morning 4 to 4:45, minimum 4 to 4:30, half an hour. Sit one place. Similarly, in the evening, 6:30 to 7:30, minimum half an hour, sit one place. Activate your consciousness and connect with the Supreme Consciousness to charge yourself. Power is necessary. So that is called intense meditation. Come and sit here. So each second we are having awareness of the body. So at least when you are sitting, there is no use of body. Talk to you. How to charge? the meditation morning and evening, 2 times, very good, not possible. Minimum once, either morning or evening. Best is morning. For everything there is a substitute. By chance, not possible. Do not worry. In the evening you have to do it. What you have to do? Just to sit, talk to you. Who am I? Wait. If I ask you, sister, what is your name? Then you will give answer, no? Similarly, talk to you. Activate your consciousness. Who am I? Wait. Intellect will give answer. Yes, I am so and so. So here, mind and intellect, you have to combine. That is concentration. Otherwise, we are sitting in meditation now. You sit, yes, I am a soul. I am point of light. Oh, I have to do something. Some other thought is coming. From where? Intellect is free. So in this university, what is meditation? Develop your concentration. Use your mind and intellect at a time. Not one power. Mind is working, creating. Intellect, free intellect is wandering here and there. So these 2 powers, use them. So how? Just to sit, talk to you. Who am I? Intellect will give you answer. We know it. What is my form? Intellect will give you answer. This is my form. What are my qualities? I am having 7 qualities. Ask, teach yourself, remind yourself. These are my qualities, step by steps. 4th, what I am doing? Yes, I am sitting in the middle of forehead. If I want to see, I use these eyeballs. I see here and there. When I am sitting in meditation, somebody is coming, somebody is going. I see here, I see there. No. Be stable. That's why it is kept, big picture is here. Just to see one place. 5th, I came from where? From incorporeal world. Who is there now? So the one word is used. Realize yourself as a soul, then remember me. Activate your consciousness, connect with the Supreme Consciousness. These 3 things if you are doing, it is maximum. These 3 things are necessary. 1, always consider those who are sitting, coming in front of you, all are known, unknown, friend, enemy, maybe anybody. All are children of one Father. 2nd, my mind must be, full awareness is necessary. What Baba has taught me today, what homework he has given today, that I have to do today. Only one point. He is telling many things. Try to do minimum. 1 point. One point you take, sufficient. And to charge yourself, morning half an hour, evening half an hour. If not possible, at least once. Sit. Forget your body. How to forget? No. Activate yourself and connect. These 3 things we have to do. Now we can sit half an hour, 6:30 to 7. See. Try these 5 questions, because if you want to talk to me, you have to dial the number. Similarly, if you want to talk to him, you have to dial his number. These 5 numbers you must remember. Who am I? What is my form? What are my qualities? What is my function? From where I came? Who is he? What he is having? What I have to talk to him? Then you talk to me. Then you are connected to him. So we can charge yourself. Possible or difficult? Then you never say, oh, Maya is coming, waste thoughts are coming, nothing. Why? We do not use. You have to channelize these two powers.
So five numbers. Who am I?
Yes, second.
What is my form?
Third.
Hmm?
No, he will tell. He is very close, no? Baba is telling the Brahma Baba will listen first. He is close, he will listen first. Then you will listen. You repeat.
Who am I? What is my form? What do I have to do?
One number fail.
What is my relationship?
No, she will tell. Fail. You will tell.
Where I came from.
Brother, who is that? Now you tell me what is number. He has forgotten. What are the 5 questions? Who will repeat among the sisters? Not outside, backside. He front. Any brother? Who will repeat 5 questions? No, sisters.
Who am I? At least we have got one.
Once again.
Who am I?
Second chance. Second.
What is my form?
Third. Fourth. Please listen once again. That's why a systematic effort, not as you like. Any number if you dial, you cannot contact. There is a number, there is a contact. How frequency meet is necessary. So whenever you sit, ask, who am I? Wait. Intellect, heart will give you answer. So mind and intellect is combined. Second, what is my form? Intellect will give you knowledge you have. Apply knowledge. Use that knowledge. Third, what are my qualities? I am having 7 qualities. One by one, teach yourself. Activate them. Fourth, what I am doing? I am a soul sitting in the middle of forehead. I am using this to eye. I am using this mouth. But I should not drive now. There is no use. Detach. How to detach? Do not use, do not see here and there. Stable. Fifth, I came from where? Possible? Okay.
Now I can repeat.
Now you can repeat. His IQ level you have to see. Yes, repeat.
Who am I? What is my form? What is my quality? What do I have to do? Or where did I come from? Is good?
One who is very close, so he is listening first, no? Then Baba is giving Murli, Baba is telling who is listening. Brahma Baba is listening first. Then we will listen. So he has to listen first.
So we like to thank Ramnath Bhai. Was it a good class? You are happy with this class? You give the round of applause. So we thank him so much. This is the beginning of our journey. Now we sit. You will sit for
half an hour.
Half an hour. Okay.
7 o'clock फिर कोई आओ.
Thank you, Om Shanti.
Now you will do practice with this and see you can repeat or not.